Welcome back, you guys. This is Riley here with Learn With Me. And this time I'm bringing you a quick plant profile on the lovely flower that is Calendula. The scientific name of Calendula is Calendula officinalis, and it has a Latin meaning of the first day of the month. Another name for this plant is called pot marigold. While calendula is originally native to the Mediterranean, it is now cultivated throughout many places in the entire world. That's why I'm able to grow this plant successfully here in Memphis. Calendula can be used as a strong antiseptic and has strong properties that can be used both topically and internally. When applied to the skin, it can promote painless healing of minor wounds, and it also reduces inflammation and pus formation. Calendula can even be used as a mouthwash to help heal a sore throat. Another thing that's noteworthy about calendula is that it improves blood circulation. So it's very vital in alleviating skin ulcers, burns, bruises, and can help reduce scarring of those issues. One thing that makes calendula very, very interesting is a manner in which you can dress a wound with the tea made from this flower. You would make tea from the flower, and then you would soak a wrap or something that you would use to wrap a wound of some sort, and then you would put that onto like your wound, and that would help facilitate healing. Another thing I love about a calendula that I found in my research is that it's one of the few herbs that can be used on children under the age of 2 years old, and it still be like safe for them to use for their skin. There's not really many herbs that are safe for infants and stuff like that. So the fact that this one can be used in regard to skin conditions is pretty remarkable. While the entire plant is quite lovely, the flower is the only portion of the plant that you can really use for treatments of any sort. When you are beginning to make medicinal preparations of this plant, you would either harvest the whole flower head or you can just harvest the petals. That's where the benefits lie. But yeah, you guys, that is my calendula plant. I hope you guys enjoyed the shots of it. I'm going to try to post more videos like this, and if you guys can just let me know what type of videos and what type of things you would like me to include in my plant profiles, that'd be greatly appreciated. Otherwise, I want you guys to stay safe. If you could like, subscribe, share this with like 10 of your friends, that would be awesome. Comment anything that you found really interesting or your experience with this. But otherwise, you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys soon.